Hi, today I was going to try and cover pressing, something that we haven't covered before and doesn't involve shrink or stretchers, maybe a little hand foam in some degrees. And the types of thing that we're going to cover is using the press. The bigger the tonnage in the press, the better, but not necessarily you can get away just by pressing multiple times and working your way around the piece to get it. Some of the things that we produce, which is quite complicated, and we had some failures when we first started, was this strengthener piece. This press is lovely now in about a 3-stage press, but when we very first started, we had failures like this here. You can see where it ripped, it wasn't forming correctly, and things like that. Other things are the presses themselves, which I'll take the camera off the tripod and I'll come in and I'll do a close-up on most of this that are just form as I'll show you the templates and the pieces that we're going to use, that we would use to make them. So as I showed you earlier, this piece here is the one that we make, and this piece was part of its journey. You can see there where it didn't quite form, it ripped. And these are the different stages of the press on this. And to get this, we had to do quite a bit of development with these, which are male and female die, which allows us to press this piece. When we're pressing with this, as you can see, this piece here is the first part of the pressing. So obviously when it comes out, as you can see, that is quite incomplete and isn't as perfectly smooth as you would want. But that's not a worry. You simply add this piece, it then increases the force and allows the top to become really flat, as in this one. Creating the slotted holes is done by the use of 2 shaped plugs, which means you have to press twice to get it, but it's just to save the amount of pressure that you need. So these 2 plugs then will punch these holes out. You then just move them over and press again, and here, presto, you will end up with this piece. So this does take quite a bit of machining to create this type of die, but this could be made with flat bar, plate, cut and welded together. You would still be able to make and create this. With Capri's, this is a bought piece that was simply just bought in as a template and where to go, how to go, and what it is. And basically, I've got to stop saying basically. This can be formed using this jig cutting the sheet steel to this template and then hammer forming over this edge. Now, this jig here is used when making this piece, and it allows you to form this, which brings both those sides up. Can I please take this time again to urge you, please subscribe. It does help the channel grow. Use the comments, tell us what you think, tell us if there's something you specifically need to see done or help with. I'll do my best. Thanks very much, take care, and I'll see you on the next episode.
you